Hi everyone, welcome to the SIG Autoscaling meeting. I believe today on the agenda we have one item from Daniel about cluster autoscaler patch releases. Daniel, do you want to take it?
Yeah, sure. So this one is really just a heads up. I created an issue, tagged everyone I found in owners in Class Autoscaler. I also reached out on Slack, but to reiterate here, I am going to cut new patch releases for all minors from 1.28 to 1.30. So if there is anyone who wants to cherry pick anything, they should do that now. The schedule that's published in the Autoscaler repo mentions some date next week as a cutoff date, but I wouldn't be able to do that because I will be on vacation next week, which is why I'm starting this now. I don't know. Is there apart from anyone having things to cherry pick, is there anything you think I should be announcing, or any other channel or something to before I start cutting out those new versions, or is that it?
I think you already covered the channels we use normally. So I think normally we announce on SIG meeting, SIG Slack channel, and issue, which I believe you said you did all of that.
Mhm.
And I think you opened the issue like at least a week ago, right? I've seen it
Yes.
last
Yeah.
week. So yeah, so I think that's kind of what we do normally.
Okay.
Is
Makes
there
sense.
is there some specific cutoff deadline that you have in mind? If so, maybe it's worth mentioning it here, and we can put it
Uh,
into the meeting notes just so
right. So
some.
I think I will be doing that on Thursday. Like actually building images. Uh,
So I'd imagine that would basically make tomorrow the last day for opening cherry picks. I'm counting tomorrow for opening a cherry pick, Wednesday for merging it, and then like have one day of buffer in terms there is a comment or something similar.
mhm.
Is that
Yeah, that makes sense. Yes.
mhm. Okay? Thank you.
Thanks.
Mhm. We don't have any other topics on the agenda. Is there some topic that anyone would like to bring up now?
I guess two quick ones for me. One is we actually last week resurrected the test check because whilst we had started skipping them due to CA work, meant we'd actually missed something that Mark raised last week, that the VPA tests, there were the failing VPA tests. Don't know if there's been any update on those since last week. No, so there's a link in the meeting notes from last week to the issue that Mark raised around this. Don't think there's been any further discussion on fixing those up at the moment though. I can also see that the HPA tests, we've got 4 going flaky. I'll try to give some of those a look this week as well. But yeah, I think that's that for those. The other one was SIG Talk at KubeCon North America. The deadline for us to submit a talk if we want to have one at KubeCon NA is the 22nd, so next Monday. I can't remember whether that's start of the day or the end of the day. So if we are going to do one, I'd like to get that sort of firmed up by ideally Thursday so that we can actually get all the submission stuff done. Anyone can give that talk. but it just needs to be submitted by either myself or Maciek in terms of on the website. So if you are interested in talking about anything SIG related or things you've been working on and are planning to head along to KubeCon, please get in touch via Slack.
I think ideally, if you could tag both me and Guy, because I think we may be coordinating from two sides, so just makes the communication easier. Right?
Real quick, yeah, just real quick, Guy, regarding the VPA and HPA tests failures. Let me take a first pass at that. I'm also chatting with Marco and Adrian later today, so let us take a look at that and file bugs at the very least.
Okay, sweet, awesome.
I had one quick thing as well. I just wanted to bump a couple PRs that Rahul and I opened on Cluster Autoscaler a couple weeks ago related to max nodes per zone. I can post them in today's agenda. I just wanted to check on those and see if anybody is willing to give them a review.
I can try to take a look or find someone who will. But yeah, if you can post the links on the meeting notes, that would be very helpful.
Yeah, I just posted them there. Thanks.
Thank you. Okay, any other topics? Okay, in that case, it looks like we can finish early. Thanks everyone, and have a good week. Bye.